Hello dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Yogesh Sir. This is our new series. Its name is Hindi Bole. In this series we will learn Hindi from basic to advanced. Today we will start with Hindi Varnamala. Varnamala in Hindi is called alphabets, dear students. Like in English we have alphabets A, B, C, D. In the same way in Hindi we have Varnamala. And don't worry if you don't know Hindi, I'll teach you very slowly and clearly. So dear student, today our goal is how to read and pronounce Hindi letters. So let's start without wasting our time. So like in Hindi we have two type of alphabets. So in the same way in English we have two type of alphabets. In the same way in Hindi we have Swar and Vyanjan. Swar means vowel. Like in English there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. And what is special about vowels? Like if you are pronouncing vowel, you don't need to take help of any other letter. Like if you are speaking A or if you say A, no need to take help of any other letter like B, C, D. Okay, in the same way we have swar in Hindi, and you can see here there are 13 swar, and the first letter is that is A. That is A. You can also repeat with me A, like A in apple. Okay. Next is, dear students, A. First one is A, E. Next is E, U, U. Next is Re. Then A, I, O, Au, Aha. After swar, like there are 13 swar. So in the same way we have consonants, that is called in English Vyanjan. So the first letter in Vyanjan is K. Next is K. Then G, G, Ñ. K, K, G, Gh, Ñ. Then Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Ñ. I am repeating from starting. K, Kh, G, Gh, Ng. Ch, Ch, J, Jh, Ñ. Then next is T, Th, D, Dh, N. T, Th, D, Dh, N. Sorry, it's not Na, it's Na. Then T, Th, D, Dh, N. This is Na and this is N. Na. Okay. And after this P, P, B, Bh, M. Next Y, R, L, V, Sh, Sh, S. There is a minor difference between these three letters. This is Sh, Shalgam. Okay. This is Sh, and this is S. After this H, and next is Shra, Na, Dh. After this, let's come to next. We will read this word again with some word belong to those words, and the picture is also given, so you can correlate with the picture as well. So the first letter of swar is this is A. A जैसे अनार. A जैसे आम. Very good. E, इमली. E, ईख. U, उल्लू. U, ऊंट. Okay, after that Ri, Rishi. A, Eddie. I, ऐनक. ओ ओखली. औ औरत. अंगूर. And this letter it's khali because actually we don't start any word with this letter. Okay, so that's why there is no word for this letter. Okay, after this come to Vyanjan. Let's see Vyanjans again with the picture and words. Okay, so the first one is let me zoom it. Okay, so first letter is क जैसे कबूतर. ख जैसे खरगोश. ग जैसे गाय. घ जैसे घर. ग खाली. There is no word starting with g. We use this letter in between any other word. Okay. After this, ch चम्मच. छ छतरी. ज it's not jahaz. Yeah, you can say jahaz as well, but here it is jug. Then jh झंडा. nya khali. After this, ta टमाटर. ठ ठठेरा. ड डमरू. ढ ढोलक. अण खाली. Then after this, ta तरबूज. थ थर्मस. द दवात. ध धनुष. न नल. प पतंग. फ फल. ब बतख. भ भालू. म मछली. After this, यज्ञ. र रथ. ल लट्टू. व वक. श शलगम. श षटकोण. स संतरा. ह हाथी. क्ष क्षत्रिय. त्र त्रिशूल. ज्ञानी. श्र श्रमिक. Okay, so and this letter we again we use this letter in between word. We don't start any word with these letters. So this is our Varnamala bachcho. We have learned in this video Swar and Vyanjan. So today we learned Hindi letter pronunciation. Practice daily for 5 minutes. We will learn Matra in the next video. If you like this, like, subscribe, share with your friend. See you in next video. Thank you.